Hi, my name is Josh Udy. I'm the Elementary Mathematics Curriculum Manager for Houston Independent School District. In this video, I will be representing and solving the addition of fractions, including mixed numbers, with unlike or unequal denominators using an open number line. Let me begin by reading the problem. Jacob drew an isosceles trapezoid on a piece of construction paper. He used a ruler to measure the side lengths of his shape. In inches, what is the perimeter of the shape Jacob drew? Here I have Jacob's shape. You can see it's an isosceles trapezoid because each of these legs are 5/6 inches. The base at the bottom is 2.5 inches, and the base at the top is 1.5 inches. In order to add these fractions, I will be using an open number line. I want to mark off where 0 is, and then I need to think about how I want to add these fractions together. Knowing that I can use the commutative property of addition, it doesn't matter which fractions I choose to represent first. And since 2.5 is the greatest and it's easy to represent, I'll show that first. 1, 2, I'll mark 3, and then I'll show a half. So I'm going to show that the length here is 2.5 inches long for the first base. Next, I'm going to add in 1.5 inches. So I already have a 1/2 inch there, and now I just need to add 1 more inch. So this represents 1.5 inches for the second base. Now I need to add in both 5/6 inch parts. So here I'll make a mark for my next inch, and because it's broken into 6, the denominator is 6, I know I need to draw interval marks so that there are 6ths in between this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks will make 6ths. And I know that one side is 5 of those 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6. This represents 5/6 for one of the legs. I'll call that leg 1. Now I need to add in my last leg, which is also 6ths. I'll show a 6 here for 1 more inch, and I'll break it into 6ths. Now I need to add 5/6 inches more. I already have 1/6 of an inch right here, so I just need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/6 inches for leg 2. Here I can see that my total perimeter length is 5 inches and 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6 inches. So I know that Jacob's trapezoid has a perimeter of 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/6 inches. While the answer of 5 and 4/6 inches is mathematically correct, you will want to have your students simplify the fractional part of your answer 4/6. I'll show this using an open number line. In order to show this, I first need to represent 1 inch on my number line. I know that I'm trying to represent the fraction 4/6, so I'll want to partition this into 6ths. I know that I have 4/6, so I can shade that. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. In order to simplify this fraction, students need to see that they can partition the distance between 0 to 1 into a different number of equal parts. I could actually make halves by showing 3/6 and 3/6, but that doesn't simplify the orange shaded part nicely. So I know I could try to group by 2. And when I do that, I see thirds. This means that this distance is 1/3, this distance is another third, and this distance is a third. I have 4/6 or 1/3, 2/3. This means that the perimeter is equal to 5 and 2/3 inches. It's important here that students understand that 5 and 4/6 inches is the exact same as 5 and 2/3 inches.